Hey guys, this is my 1-minute chocolate mug cake recipe. So every time I post a video in TikTok, ang dami nagre-request ng recipe video that you don't need to use an oven and a mixer. So this recipe is perfect for you because you only need a microwave. The ingredients are very easy to find and the procedure is very easy. Okay, let's start. Prepare a 16 ounces mug and then mix in your sifted dry ingredients. We have all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, sugar, baking soda, and salt. Fold it together and then make a well in the center. Add in your egg, oil, and then fresh milk and then mix it using our wire whisk. Make sure na walang buo-buo and lumps. And then we are going to add our chocolate chip. Okay, fold it in our chocolate batter and then we are going to transfer it in a measuring cup para mas mabilis natin ibuhos sa ating mug. Fill in around 3/4 of the mug. Okay, so for variation, you can add walnuts or pecan in your chocolate batter. Now, let's go to the microwave setting. We are going to set it at high heat and then we are going to set it for 1 minute. Okay, place in your mug in the microwave and then after 1 minute, guys, there you go. You have a perfect chocolate cake. Last one, I'm going to add powdered sugar. You can also add different sauces like caramel or Hershey's chocolate para mas may flavor ang ating end product. Look at that, perfect chocolate cake. So I hope you enjoyed the recipe video, guys. See you guys next time for more easy and doable recipes.